Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikipitanga kukwepa ni channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa garwaka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmare Zimbabwe tavigirai nyaya ya buditswa na ZANU-PF spokesperson wa Christopher Mutsvangwa abo vabuda story vachiti no one should dream of succeeding Mnangagwa kanzi kutora kwa trukuita ZANU-PF haisi kuzowanikwa ichitolerata zvinhu zvakaita seizvozvo. ZANU-PF spokesperson ambassador Christopher Mutsvangwa vakabuda vachitaura vachiti party haisi kuzotolerata any talk of my potential successor kuti vaone vachisucceed president Emerson Mnangagwa. Vataura vachiti nekuda kwekuti vachangobva kuwina my-elections in a resounding manner. Vakabuda vachitaura izvi during a press conference yakaitwa recently Mutsvangwa. Vataura ivo vachiti party yavo ine one center of power. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti kutaura nyaya success at the moment kuwanikwa vachichallenja president Emerson Mnangagwa. Vakataura vachiti party haisi kuzowanikwa ichibhuma zvinhu zvakadaro. Kutaura kwatiri kuita Mnangagwa vari kunzi vari kufana kusucceedwa na vachiwenga vari kunzi ndo the right candidate wekuti vawanikwe vachisucceeda president Emerson Mnangagwa. Asi nyaya iyi yabuditswa naMutsvangwa yashamisa vanhu vazhinji kuti is this an attack or a challenge on vice president Constantino Chiwenga. Vakabuda zvakare vachitaura ivo vachiti president Emerson Mnangagwa vanokwanisa kuwedzera term yavo kusvika mugore ra2030. Vachiti vanhu vanokwanisa kupusha for this constitution amendment muri Zimbabwe. Kutaura vachiti yes, we are aware that the president respects the constitution. President Mnangagwa has already stated that he will not seek a third term. However, let me make it clear, the people have the right to urge him to stay in office. We are witnessing the great work he is doing. So the fact is, citizens have already expressed their desire for the president to stand beyond 2028. Tumabuditsiro vakaitwa nyaya iyi nava Mutsvangwa muri Zimbabwe vachitaura ivo vachiti vanhu vanokwanisa kupusha kuti president vakwanise kutonga beyond 2028. Zvinzi mamiriro azvakaita vanhu varatidza kuti vari kuda president Emerson Mnangagwa kuti vasvike 2030. This came as a challenge kuna vachiwenga vari kufungidzirwa kunzi he is going to succeed Mnangagwa. Asi mamiriro azvakaita nezvataurwa navaMutsvangwa izvi seems as if hapana kumira mushe. Vachiwenga vanogona kuwanikwa vachitadza kusucceeda president Emerson Mnangagwa. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section kuti zvinopera mushe here kana kuti. Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga mucomment section.
So we begin also to answer those who clamor for succession in ZANU-PF. Tichangobva kuma-elections in 2023 where he won resoundingly. Can you imagine a boardroom where somebody has been appointed CEO by the board and then immediately is told that your successor is this one? She says, I'm already two. Is it possible to run a company along those lines where a CEO has been immediately seconded with a successor? It means you have created two centers of power in the company, and inevitably there will be contestation and allegiances by company workers listening to conflicting directives from two people. One who says, don't talk like that about what you want to do because it may not be what I want when I become CEO. And this one is saying that I've been appointed CEO, I'm there to run the company. You must follow what I want. This is the scenario which ZANU-PF is refusing by those who are trying to clamor for succession soon after an election. They want to turn a performing president into a lame duck because they are scared that he will perform and deliver even more. They want to hobble the president from delivering more by encumbering him with cobwebs of a successor who is beginning to have a mark sheet about the way it is performing. The party follows its tradition of achievement and success. They see danger in an arrangement where somebody is anointed a priori before the time and the party is refusing. And it behoves on all those cadres who are genuine revolutionaries, or who are part of the genuine revolutionary tradition of Zambia, to comply with the resolutions which were passed at the party congress in Bulawayo in October. Vari kungohumana vachiti hey tazoti hey tine wedu tazoti chichi. They are not part of the mainstream thinking of ZANU-PF, which was expressed kumasvingo. They are latching on to the opinion of a particular lawyer. There are enough lawyers in this country. Yes, and all of them can have an opinion. But an opinion by a lawyer, even if he pronounces it at a conference, does not supersede the decisions of that conference. The conference is sovereign to its decisions. It's a master of its program, the conference. So nobody who has got a variant opinion can begin to say that is one thing of a conference. They had an opportunity, if they wanted to express the views which he did, to do it at the committee stage when we were having a conference. And namunaita naro kuma committee ko muchitaura zvamunoita. Monzwika ikoko mobvumirwa zvamuri kufunga. You convince the committees and the organs of the party at the conference, at the deliberation stage. Don't come and try to countermand what the resolution of the party has done already. It's not ethical. It's wrong practice. It's being deviant from the ethos of majority organization and proper corporate governance in any situation. So that view is not being entertained by the rank and file membership. There are few malcontents who have their own agendas, and it is associated with this drive to try to turn the president into a lame duck. And most of them are in this, no, not of them, a few of them. There's a sprinkling of them who are in the capital. I can assure you, the party political commissar, Comrade Machacha, together with the national security of the party and under the aegis of the chairman of the party, they are dealing with that situation. This is a situation of malcontents.
Ndofunga mangozvinzura mega muri Zimbabwe vamutsvangwa vachitaura vachiti aiwa chimbokanganwai zvese izvozvo zvema-succession issues hanzi chimbomirai president ndo vari panyanga president Mnangagwa, and there is only one center of power muZANU-PF. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi hazvinomira mushe mubato reZANU-PF pari kunzi pane mafactions ava Chiwenga poitawo mamwe ava Mnangagwa. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.